guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to take this 2019 Aston Martin Vantage out on the road, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, my thoughts and how I feel about this car, and why I think it is the greatest production that Aston Martin has ever created. It just smells really good in here. The attention to detail is just absolutely amazing. Leather stitching everywhere. It's bouncy in here. The suspension's stiff, as you would expect, but it's smooth. It doesn't just bounce you into the ground. Like, it feels kind of plush in its own Aston Martin way. So we have a Mercedes AMG with Mercedes technology in the vehicle. The vehicle starts at $150,000 and will go up to about $185,000 MSRP. I personally think that Aston Martin did a phenomenal job with this car, and the price point, if you're looking to get into an exotic vehicle, is absolutely perfect. Because today, and I hate to sound like this, but to buy a $100,000 car or a $120,000 car is a very common thing. So a lot of people have these types of vehicles. Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, they all kind of fit this range, and those cars are everywhere on the higher end. But if you want to get into like an exotic car, Aston Martin priced this vehicle under $200,000, so you can at least have an exotic car that is a front mid-engine vehicle for under 200 grand. And you're getting a V8 twin turbocharged AMG engine that has been Astonized. And what do I mean by that? Aston Martin added a oil sump system to the engine to eliminate an oil pan. So obviously with the high torque, 503 horsepower and 505 torque, so it's obviously a very fast car. I mean, you're gonna spin the tires at no matter what speed. There's so much torque in this thing. This car is also equipped with, it's got steel rotors, not carbon ceramics, but it's got 6-piston Brembo brakes in the front and 4-piston Brembo brakes in the rear. It's really awesome. And as you can hear, you got that 500 horsepower AMG motor. Oh yeah, dude, this thing just wants to kick out. 0 to 60 time is about 3.5 to 3.7, depends on the weight in the vehicle, and of course all the temperatures and conditions of the road that it's with. Again, I'm probably driving on summer tires and it's winter time. Not the most ideal situation here. Paddle shifters feel nice. You know, they're separate, so not connected to the wheel, so you kind of know where they are at all times. And if you look here, you'll see that the paddle shifters are large, so no matter where you are on a turn, you'll be able to reach the shift. Great track car, great luxury sports car. If you want a luxury sports car that is different than any other car on the road, this is your car, Aston Martin Vantage. And that's why I think Aston Martin was brilliant with the release of this vehicle. It's got sexy lines, it's got a gorgeous interior. Now, if you want to get on it from a 0 to 60, just go. The traction control system is going to take care of the rest. Yeah, traction control just takes care of everything in this car. Oh yeah, did you hear that exhaust? Oh yeah. Aston Martin is it's a brand that's been revolved around a driver's car, and that's what this is. You can get a car that not many people have on the road. It's going to be a true driver's car. It's going to be truly comfortable. It's going to perform just the way it should for the price point that it is, and that's what you're getting with the Aston Martin Vantage. That's it. It's brilliant. Like I said, it's a driver's car. You can get a feel for what the car wants. You can feel what the car wants you to do at the time that you want to, perform with it. you know, you get a sense immediately of what the car, how the car is going to respond to. Now, if you want to just not be in sport mode, you just tap the drive button, it lights up, and you're in full automatic with the transmission. You don't have to worry about shifting or any of that stuff. And it also puts it back in the automatic start-stop feature, which if you're driving around town, is a really nice fuel-saving option, especially when you're on an empty tank. Leave you off with this. If you're looking to get into an exotic car, a new one, and you want to spend $150,000 to $180,000, really don't look further. This car is perfect in every way. It's got all the performance, it's got all the tech features, it's got the looks, it's got the feel, and it's got the attention to detail. So I want to thank you for your support. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.